Schedulers are built right into Plutio, so you don't need Calendly or any other tool to accept bookings. And the cool thing about our scheduler is it's unmatchedly customizable and personalized. You can add sections, you can add different content to it. It's not just a calendar where people can select time, but it can turn it into far more than that. Some people even have contracts built as part of the scheduler. And as you can see from the Forms tab right here, you can add way more questions. You can ask question through a long text, short text, date, uploading files, and even requesting signatures if you want. And drag and drop anything to reorder them. And you can even customize this to look on brand from our pre-built themes, or choose from the options here to make it fit your brand to the pixel. Now, from the details tab, you'll be able to see all the different customization, personalization options that you can set on this particular scheduler. You have durations, so you can have as many durations as you want, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and you can specify different pricing for these durations as well. So you can make the 30 minutes free, but then the 1 hour you can charge $100, for example. Now, you can add buffers, as in the amount of time that you give yourself before, between events, basically. So here you can set it before the event, after the event. You can set limits, so the amount of events that can happen in a day. You can accept payment to confirm the booking, and to connect any payment methods, you can do that from settings, integrations, and then you connect Stripe, PayPal, and Square as well. You can send the receipts once the payment is made. Automation allows you to redirect them to a different page. If not, they will receive the default confirmation page, which looks right like this. Back to the scheduler details, you can add custom fields and more localization options. So basically everything you will ever need to accept bookings is built right here. And once a booking is made, the user who requested the booking and you will receive an email confirmation with the invite as well. You can review all the bookings made through this particular scheduler from here. You can set the availability from here. And you can also create automations, automated workflows once a scheduler is booked from the workflows tab.